Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we are going to discuss about the HDFS commands. The next command would be touch. Okay, in the Linux file system you can create one empty file, right? The same way by using touch in Hadoop we can create the empty file. Okay, touchz. Okay, if you want to create the empty file, it would be touchz. Okay, so I'll create this empty.txt. One ls text folder. Okay, you see this empty folder. If you see the size of the file, it would be 0. Okay, by using touch you can create the empty folder in Hadoop. Okay, and the next command would be the count. If you want to get the count of the folders and files inside Hadoop, we can use the count. Okay, for example, if you want to get the count of the files, you can use the count. So here you won't understand anything. Let me print the workbox also. So here it will show you what is the one, in the sense here the one is the directory count. Test is the only one directory which is present. Okay, inside that the what is how many number of files and what is the size of the content. Okay, so inside the test there is only the 3 files, and test itself one directory. It is counting the test itself one directory. Like that in Hadoop, if you want to count the how many folders which is present in entire Hadoop cluster, we can use the uh, count one count method to get the details. Okay, let me enter this folder. See, these many directories are there, these many files present in the Hadoop, and this is the size of the files. Okay, inside this path. Okay, it will count the subdirectories also, even though it is showing 4 only, but there would be a subdirectories inside user temp. Okay, inside Mahesh. Okay, that's why it is showing the total directory count as a 19. Okay, count is used to get the count of the files and directories inside the. And let's go for the another command, disk usage. If you want to check what is the disk usage in Hadoop, you can use the du-h. So -h in the sense it will give you the human readable, human understandable format. Like this it will give you. Okay, in Hadoop Mahesh folder, what is the size, and test folder user folder is a 1.4 KB. Okay, and the same way you can get the disk free also. How much size is available. If you see here, this is a file system, this is the actual size, and this much is used and this much is available. Okay, if you want to get this type of information, you can use df-h. And like this, if you want to the next command would be, if you want to change the permissions of the files. For example, here if you see these permissions, the user have read and write, and other have only read access. Okay, if you want to change this permission, you can use Hadoop fs change mode 777. We already discussed what is a 777 in the previous videos. Okay, we are giving read, write, and execute access to the user. Same thing for the group and all other users also. It will give entire permission to particular folder. Let me give this permission to this one. Okay, and let's see what is permission now. See, now if you see, for this file we are giving read, write, and execute permission to this particular file. Okay, this is a way to do that one, like change mode. Like that you can change the owner also. If you want to change the owner, so here this is the owner. If you want to change HD user to Hadoop, okay. So let me change owner for this particular file. See now, the owner of this file would be the Hadoop. If you want to change the owner, then this is the command change owner. Okay. The same way, if you want to change the group, now the group is a super group. If you want to change the group for that file, uh, there is a command called change grp. Let me change that super user to HD user. See now I changed the group of the particular file to super group to. If you see previously it is a super group, now I change it to HD user. So these are the commands to change the permissions and change the uh, owner of the particular file and change the group of the particular file. These are the three commands to do that one. Okay, let's go for the another command to set the replications. Okay, so if you see one file has a three, this is the replications. Okay, if you want to change the replications, uh, you can use the set rep. Okay, Hadoop FS hyphen set rep. Okay, I want to change the like replications for a particular file. We can a replication will be useful whenever we want to maintain the high usability. Like we can increase the number of replications in that. Okay, let me check the replications now. See now this particular file has the three replications. Okay, previously it is also have three replications. This is also three replications, and this file has only one replica. So if you want to change the replica, this is the command to change the replica. Okay, and here is the other command called if you want to view the data. We can view the data by using cat. Adobe FS hyphen cat. So if you want to view the data, cat is used to view the data. Okay, and if you want to view only the last few lines, then there is another command called tail. Tail will give you the last 10 lines. Okay, here only maybe I think we're having only the 10 line, but tail will give you the last 10 lines on the text file. Okay, and if you see here there is a in the Hadoop, if you see there is a tgz file. If you want to read the tgz file, we can use there is a text file. Okay, text is a command to read the gz files. This abc. Okay, you see it can read the data of the gz file. If we use the cat on top of that, it can't read the gz files. Cat can't read the gz files. That's why there is a another command to read the gz files. Text is the command. Okay, and next command would be taking the snapshots. Okay, so taking the snapshots would be helpful whenever if you want to recover the data, then the snapshot would be very helpful to recover the data. And if you want to the other scenario would be like if you want to compare the previous state and the current state of the file system, then this snapshot would be really helpful. So to take the snapshots, like there is a command called create snapshot. Okay, so create snapshot, I want to take the snapshot of the test. So this is the way to take the snapshot of this is a folder. Okay, you have to give the folder name. Okay, this iPhone test is the folder name and this is the snapshot name. This will be the snapshot name of the this folder. Okay, so it will fail because you should give the permission to take the snapshots. So if you see, the error is directory is not a snapshotable. In the sense, first you have to make this directory as the snapshotable. So for that, the Hadoop admin command would be required. So Hadoop, the command would be Hadoop DFS admin. Okay, allow snapshot. There is a command allow snapshot to the particular directory. So for this directory, you have to allowing to take the direct snapshots. So now if you run the previous command, it would take the snapshot of the particular folder, and this is the name of the that folder name. Let me see the data of that one. So the snapshot would be taking inside that folder only. Okay, this is the snapshot directory. Okay, and the actual content would be in test folder only. Here I taken inside that folder only, but in real time there would be another directory for taking the snapshots. Okay, here I taken inside the directory only, but in the real time it would be in the other location. Okay, thank you.